Stop using event grid like a queue and service bus like a notification tool. Most developers misuse event grid and service bus, and it costs them in interviews and real exam. In this video, I will show you when to use event grids, push-based events versus service bus reliable message queues, so you can design systems that are actually scale and don't break in production. So if we see here, if we are using event grid like a queue, so we can have broken workflows, so it will be a nightmare for us. So we need to understand when to use event grid and when a service bus. Okay, so in this video we will fix it. Okay, so let's simplify this with a story. Okay, imagine you are building an e-commerce system. So in this system, a user uploads a product image and a payment is processed and an order is shipped as well. Okay, this happens in an e-commerce application. Okay, so do you think all this action we are using the same messaging system? So most of the developers will say yes. However, this is not correct. So let us analyze it, how it will work. So let's start with the event grid. So think event grid like a smart notification system. Something happens and multiple systems react instantly. You can see here, an event has been published. Okay, that is a JSON payload. Okay, and the subscription A from Azure function get triggered. Okay, in this way all the other services of Azure got triggered. Okay, so this we can say like a blob is uploaded. What is blob? Blob is nothing but an image here. Okay, to the Azure storage account. Actually, we tell it blob storage, right, in Azure. So we are assuming it as a blob. It is nothing but an image. Okay. Now, what happens then? Event grid immediately pushes an event. Okay, and then multiple subscribers reacts. So like it send emails, resize images and update database. Okay, so what are the key characteristics here? If you see the key characteristics, it is push based, not polling. Okay, so lightweight events, as we have seen here, the events are in the form of JSON. Okay, they are referencing JSON from image. Okay, and multiple subscriber, publisher and subscriber. So like email, then resizing the image, then updating the database, and it is near real time. Okay, so event grid is like YouTube notifications. When a creator uploads a video, okay, you get notified, I also get notified, and millions of other users also get notified. However, it is not guaranteed that you will watch it. So YouTube doesn't guarantee that the user will watch it. It just delivers the notification. Fine. Now, when we shouldn't use event grid? Whenever you need guaranteed processing, don't use event grid. Whenever you need ordering, you need retries with with control, and you have complex workflows. Okay, then in that case service bus comes in. Okay, now let's talk about service bus. This is not a notification system actually. This is a reliable messaging processing engine. So bear it in mind. Alright. Okay, so let's move ahead to know more about it. So if you see here, a message is sent to a queue. Okay, a worker process it. Okay, if it fails, retry it. If it keep failing, suppose after number of attempts that has been configured, it will push it to dead letter queue. So we can investigate later on it. Okay, and if it is successfully processed, just mark it as completed. Okay, so what analogy we get from this? So service bus is like a bank transaction system. Okay, if it fails, retry it. Okay, log it. It ensures consistency. It doesn't just notify and forget it. So by logging the error, we can analyze it. What is the reason of the error? Okay, fine. So what are the key features? So it guarantees the delivery at least once. Okay, message ordering, that is in FIFO, first in first out with sessions. Dead letter queues to investigate later. If the retries continuous failing, it will push to it will go to dead letter queue. Okay, so that we can analyze it later. So it is transactional. Okay, and it can manage complex workflows. Fine. So what are the simple rules here? So use event grid when you want event notifications, that we have already seen, like YouTube. You need fan out, like multiple subscribers, that we have already seen. And you want real-time transactions, actually the real-time reactions. Okay, and when to use service bus, you need reliability, you need message processing, and you need control, retry, ordering and transactions. So by these examples and scenarios that I have shown you, I think this clarified things to you, and you are already ahead of most developers. So in my next video, I will bring some real questions on this topic on AZ 204 exam. Okay, so that you can attend your exam with confidence. And if you also like me to create videos on system design, DSA or SQL, just comment in the comment box below so that I can bring it. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe it and like it and share with your friends. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.